Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with another update to the Blade Runner spinner. And this has been an interesting one to try to get started, because the way that the kit goes together and the way that some of the aftermarket stuff has to be integrated, it's not as straightforward as some other builds. But regardless, we're going to start out with some prep work. And first thing we need to do is we need to cut out these vents right here, because on the paragraphics sheet, include some open vents for it. These little guys right here. They also include bigger ones for the rear vents, and that's these ones right here. And these ones fit in right back here and fit nice and tight, look okay there, but I turn it around and they're hollow from the back side. So I'm going to have to do some work on that side as well. A little unfortunate, but nothing we can't fix. And so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut out these vents and drill a hole just off to one side here. And once I got that drilled out, I'm going to repeat it a couple more times. And that gives me a straight line so that I can take an X-Acto blade and carve out a rectangle. So that's how that's going to look. Now I need to fill in the back side, and for that, I'm going to just take a little thin strip of styrene, get that cut so it'll fit in here. Just kind of press it into place, just like that. A little adjustment here. And once I've got it where I want it, come in with a little spot of the Tamiya extra thin cement and just go around the edges there. Now I'll let this set up. I'll go back and I'll sand it smooth. And I'll also drill out side vent here on the frame. Same thing as I did on the little guys. So both of those are open now. Pretty good. And the rear side thrusters, got those sanded and filled in. Those are looking pretty good. And we'll just glue those in with little standard Tamiya cement. And grab this one. Grab the side thruster, put that in there. Do the same thing on the other side. That one in there. And that's good to go. See, there's no more gaps there. They're open on the outside. And ready for the photo etch grill covers. So now I'm going to set this off to the side, give it a chance to fully cure. And then the last bit of prep work is the tires. So out of the box, they're completely slick, but there was a tip in that Scale Auto article that I mentioned in the first video. And what he did is he took some thin pinstriping tape like this. This is craft tape, but they also make hobby and automotive tapes the same thickness. Just pull off a section a little bit longer than the circumference of the tire. And what I'm going to do is just run it all the way around. The back tire's a little bit wider, so they got 4 of these. The front tire's only got 3. And I started at the edges to try to keep them parallel and then filled in the gaps between, just kind of eyeballing it. This is not going to be absolutely perfect, but the tires are mostly hidden anyway. And this is just a way to make them look a little more realistic, give them a little more interest. And just cut off the extra here, tamp that down, and there you go. Got a little bit of kind of a almost cheater slick look to them. So that's it for now. Not a terribly exciting update, but I did want to show some of the prep work that I was doing before getting to the actual assembly of the kit. And I'm going to be getting this stuff painted going to be starting to install the photo etch and other aftermarket stuff. I'll have another update next week. You can check back then, and thanks for watching.